What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pasqualini Productions. Had a Viper roll into the repair room this week with the diagnosis that the frost filter had fallen out. After a little bit of digging, I found out that it was actually the beam diffuser that sits in the zoom train. This was an easy fix. All we got to do, remove the old RTV glue and reapply new RTV glue, wait for it to dry, and then reinstall. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you got questions, leave them in the comments and be sure to subscribe.